It's bath time, come and see. Sudu Zubu, 1, 2, 3. Splashing water, bubbly fun. Look, the duckies count each one. 5 little ducks in the tub one day, bobbing and splashing in a playful way. Sudu says hey, Zubu shouts hooray. Watch the duckies laugh and play. One little duck went far away, swimming softly, drifting away. Oh no, Zubu says, come back, little duck. Sudu prays. 4 little ducks in the bubbly blue, splash, 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 what do they do? Another one swims and goes out of view. Now there are only 3 in the crew. 3 little ducks go quack, quack, quack. One swims away and won't come back. Sudu and Zubu count the track. Now just 2. Oh, fancy that! 2 little ducks having fun in the tub, splish and splash and rub-a-dub-dub. One swims off with the bubbly blub. Now 1 little duck we love. 1 little duck all alone, so slow, floating gently to and fro. Sudu and Zubu whisper low, come back, friends, don't you go! Mama duck says, quack, 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 calling all her duckies back. One by one they waddle back. Now there are 5, quack, quack, quack. 5 little ducks back in the tub, splashing water, rub-a-dub-dub. Sudu and Zubu laugh and cheer. Bath time fun is the best right here. Splash and play